In our new visualizations, we have Azure Maps, which I have just opened for preview. These are really exciting, very powerful maps. They allow you a highly customizable view of the data on the map with a tile layer for additional levels, additional features, and options like roads, weather, and traffic overlay. AI Insights is now available generally, was previously on preview. So for premium users, that means you have available text insights, vision insights, and custom Azure ML models. And for pro users, using their custom Azure ML models. One amazing feature for all of the Excel lovers are the new 49 Excel financial functions that have been added to DAX. They're perfect for financial analysis. We can see they have future value, present value, payment, interest payments over time. All of these options will allow users to analyze financial data in the same format as Excel, but using Power BI to analyze those measures even further.